Hello, I'm Andrew Finkel from OpenLung. I just wanted to give a quick overview of how we use Git version control and GitLab to host the open source development of our ventilator as well as many other projects. So if you go to our GitLab group page at git.openlung.org, GIT, you can see we have our kind of organizational page. And from here, we have two subcategories. We have the open source ventilator project that we're working on, as well as some other COVID-19 inspired projects. So these here are considered subgroups, and you can treat them like kind of a folder or a departmental area for certain projects. So let's say we go into other COVID-19 projects, and here we have two more subgroups, software apps and hardware projects. So for example, if we go into hardware projects, we can see we have some designs for an emergency face shield that could be laser cut. Let's click in there and see what we have. And I believe, here's an image here of a face mask design that was created by Trevor Smale in March of 2020. So if we go back to our main group page for OpenLung, and let's explore the ventilator project now. So within the ventilator project, you can see we have a lot more going on. We have a subgroup for external ventilator resources. This is where we've shared or mirrored a few other open source projects in the open source ventilator area that are important resources to our project. You can click in there and explore these projects. We also have a project that's dedicated to a 3D design for a bag valve mask. So a lot of these ventilator concepts use the bag valve mask as the primary air containment device to do the resuscitation. And finally, we have our OpenLung emergency medical ventilator. And this is the project where a lot of the development is going on around our ventilator concepts. So you can think of a project, in essence, an area for different directories or folders, as well as files to exist that are related to a common goal. So in this case, producing an open source medical ventilator. So when you arrive on a project page, one of the first things you probably want to do is view the README. You can click this button right here, or just simply scroll down, and the README appears right at the bottom of the list of files. So we have a general disclaimer for the device, just stating that it is for design purposes only at the moment, and it has not been approved anywhere in the world. Here are some of the different design concepts that we've evolved through the development process. And here are some of the different subgroups working on the open source development project. So we have design requirements, mechanical concepts, the electronics control, the housing for the electronics control, an area for humidifier concepts to keep the air moist within the ventilator, filtration for the exhale on the ventilation system, and different regulatory and testing areas for people to contribute their information as we move forward to getting this product to market where it's needed. There's been some great contributions from people translating this project into other languages. So if you have these capabilities, we would love for you to join in. I'm going to share in some of the future videos a little bit more about how you can create an account and actually contribute to this open source project at OpenLung. Thank you very much, and stay tuned for more videos. Cheers.